You here again? Okay, no.
Charcoal chicken shops are an iconic part of Australian food culture. Today we're at Young Thai in St Kilda and this is a Thai charcoal chicken shop. We can't wait to share this story with you. I'm Sheena and we're chasing a plate. Hope you're hungry, let's eat. Narit Kimsat, chef and co-owner of Young Thai.
Full government name. Hey, full government name means
This is not just charcoal chicken, this is deeply personal. Narit has been, he said, dreaming about this recipe for the past 20 years and actively working on perfecting it for 6 years. This is memory, this is nostalgia, this is Narit's personality like infused into this chicken. Special. Is this going to be the best charcoal chicken I've ever eaten?
I don't know, maybe not. Okay.
You're very humble, maybe not.
Depends where you've been. But like I've always been a fan of food from the get-go, even though we didn't have much money. Like I grew up in Bangkok and after school on TV, it used to be in the 90s or like early 2000s. There's a lot of cooking show on. Hours of cooking show on. And you just watched it. It was just like intensely dreaming, fantasizing about food. Yeah, it's a bit mental. Like you got to be kind of like crazy to think doing this would work, right? Like there's no blueprint to this, but I know it's good and I want to share it. So even if I go down with that, then it's alright. Like I mean, I done my best, and I know this is the best. Like for me.
It looks so juicy.
Yeah, because it's raw.
How long have you been perfecting this recipe?
Probably like 6 years, maybe
6 years.
6-7 years. But like, you could say 20 years. Like, all I ever dreamed about as a young kid. Yeah. Yeah, we went in 15. 15, yeah. You can order now and come back. Yeah, he come here a lot. It's not me to following trend. It's not me to like cash grab or anything like that. It's just like I just did it like actually I want it. Like I wish I don't have to do this. I wish there's already something like this that I can just go and enjoy it, you know? But it's not, so I have to create one. How do I get into cooking? Like actually start cooking? Like a lot of people would like think it's like some romantic scenario, but it's actually not. Because like I'm Asian and people think like, oh, you know, learn it from your grandma. But I started actually like cooking for myself because my mom was working like all the time. She had 3 jobs from like 7 a.m. to like 11 p.m. I just started cooking because I was hungry. Like I think must have been like she forgot to make food for us, so she didn't have time at the time. So I just figured out how to like turn on the stove and like fry some egg and then yeah, instead of use the intense heat to cook chicken fully, I use like the gradual heat, so it doesn't really overcook the chicken. Some people would say it is not authentic. Yeah, I think it is authentic. I think it is authentic to Melbourne and St Kilda. It's still Thai. Authenticity is a bit bullshit because like I feel like Thai food, if you really want authenticity, there's not many dishes left because a lot of dishes are stolen or inspired by other cuisine. Like, you know, like there would be no noodle dishes, majority of them are Chinese. Like, and all the curry is like Malay Indian. And then I use that as like a jumping point for the chicken. It's like what would work in Melbourne. It's still Thai, but it's Thai that evolved in Melbourne right.
In Thailand, traditionally, grilled chicken is eaten with som tam, papaya salad, and sticky rice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like what people like. It's still like it stood the test of time. You can't really pinpoint like where the flavor is from. It's a combination of my memory and what I like to eat and
So what are the core flavors?
love. No, I'm kidding.
Turmeric.
Love, passion. We used to do everything like kind of to order, like everything pound to order, things like that. But it was just like it was too much. Yeah, I started getting to food by just cooking for myself, and I'm like, oh, this you can do this, you can do this. I started like educate myself, read more about it, and I eat all the time, every day. I still do till today. That's how I like learn about food.
Are you using coconut husks?
Yeah, it's from Malaysia. So it's coconut husk pound into compressed into charcoal. It's only a bunch of people in Melbourne use this type of charcoal. We're pretty lucky to get our hand on it.
What does that do to the chicken?
Just give it this like, for me, a flavor, different flavor, aroma that remind you from like southern Thai. There's a lot of coconut and coconut husk cooking in that part of Thailand, and it's very important we honor that in our food. I think in Thailand they just cook the chicken all the way through, and they use a smaller chicken. But here, through like amplify that Aussie charcoal chicken culture, I use a bigger chicken.
So the chicken is brined for a minimum of 5 hours.
Yeah, 2 to 12 hours. No more than 12 hours.
No more than 12 hours.
5 to 12 hours, yeah.
Then the marinade goes on.
Yeah, we do the marinade. And
Lots
then,
of dry spices.
yeah. So this is a whole chicken combo. Want to take it? Yeah.
Yes, babe.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
I'll bring you the chip.
I feel like I've been transported to Thailand through the smell. Oh my goodness. It is so juicy, it's so moist, it's smoky, it's flavoursome, a whack of black pepper, the turmeric. It is unreal. Chicken this good doesn't just happen by chance. There has been so much thought and trial and error and just thinking about how to perfect this recipe. You can just taste it. Yeah, and look how juicy it looks. And that's not wrong. What's been the feedback from your customers about the food?
Best chicken ever. So they said, it's got to be the best chicken ever.
Yes.
I said, no, genuinely. They go out of their way to tell me how good it is. I mean, like, it's not like I don't believe in it, but it's just, like, it's good. Like, it's great. I'm grateful for it. A lot of things that I learned in the past, like 10, 20 years about food, you know, there's 3 things that you need to factor in terms of like how to make a successful venue. Usually, if you have 2 of those things, you can be a successful venue. There's price, quality, and speed. Let's say a place such as like Gimlet. Gimlet has speed and quality, right? But the price is very expensive. And then you got Chard Burger where they have quality and price, but then you have to wait in line for it. And then you got place like, I know your takeaway fish and chip down the road, they got price and speed, but the quality is going to be a bit how you doing, you know. But I try to hit everything. Like I try to be fast, I try to have a good quality of the food, and I try to make it affordable. If people can spend $20 here, they have the food, they're happy, they come back again, they tell their friends. That's a win for me. That's what I want. Like, you know, because I want people to realize, like, you know, you don't have to accept low quality, you know, just because it's cheap. We charge a little bit more than the chicken shop, but we charge a little bit less than the restaurant. But in restaurant, half chicken would be like, now, like what? I don't even go to restaurant like or one bar anymore. Like 60, 50 bucks whatever per half. But in charcoal chicken shop, would be like around 15 to 20. But we're in the middle. We have to compensate like the work we put in. The people that usually pay more would appreciate how good it is for what they pay for. The people that used to pay less for half a chicken or chicken would, after they have the chicken, they might be skeptical before they eat it, but then once they eat it, they understand why a couple dollars more than they run to the meal chicken shop.
We've got chips on the side too, which is a bit of a nod to Australian charcoal chicken shops. There's always chips on the menu. But it comes with Narit's tamarind ketchup. It's got a real punchy, fruity zing to it. What's it like owning your own place?
Well, when I was working with someone else, I answer one or two people, but when you own your own place, you answer to everyone. Kind of like everyone else, kind of like your boss, because you're like, you know, it's like when I was working somewhere else, it's me achieving my goal. But then when you become a boss, you have to help everyone else around you achieve their goal through here somehow. You know, maybe like it's not like money or award. It's more like lifestyle that they want to achieve. You know, and then I would try our best to accommodate everyone here. That's the difference. I still work a lot. I love cooking. I still cook a lot. That's the guy, papaya and grilled chicken work together. But I'm just doing it my way, in a way. You know, and yeah, and like, just I realized we have so many papayas left over when we started. So I just made it in a combo. Now, people start to ask for the salad now.
The young Thai som tam is green papaya, tomato, carrot, long bean, chili, peanut, lime juice, fish sauce, tamarind, like all of these sour umami flavors.
Yeah, we just mix everything up like that. And then, and then that's it. That's your salad here.
How does it feel being able to share your culture with people who aren't familiar with it?
Great, because like, I think I know what I'm doing, and like, you know, I think like and also even people who are familiar with the culture, when they come here, like they're from Bangkok or whatever, like they're like, wow, that flavor is really good. Plus the chicken is like, you know, it's way better than in Thailand. You know, like food get me excited all the time. It's really interested. It made me happy. You know, that's the human element to this. Cooking with fire.
Narit greets everyone really warmly, and he knows most customers' names, which is pretty amazing. This is classic Thai street food and far out. It is really, really, really delicious. Thank you very much. Best chicken ever. You will definitely see us again.
Yeah, come.
Come to Young Thai, experience this amazing food. Honestly, it'll blow your mind.
Invite your family, your parents, your cat. Bring your cat.
Bring
Bring your dog. bring everyone. Bring your goldfish. Your enemy. Maybe you can, you know, bring your enemy here. Maybe you can make up while sharing chicken.